Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a hair thinning and hair loss hair spray for a hair growth. Yes, so to my 121 subscribers, thank you so much for your love and your support. So like I've been in this low manipulation hairstyle, so now it's time to moisturize our hair. So I've been in this low manipulation protective hairstyle for 5 days now. So we are going to use stimulating hair mist and Isoplus edge control so that our hairstyle can look good as we about to go for work. But you know what, like I did a video on a review on Isoplus. You can check that video out, or I'll link it in the description box below. So all you have to do is to spray your hairspray ribs throughout your hair without manipulating your hair. So to my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for your love and your support, and to my viewers. So we are going to use 1 gram of ginger and 2 grams of our garlic powder. And we're also going to use warm water. So garlic possesses antimicrobial properties that kill the germs and bacteria that cause damage to the scalp and inhibit hair growth. Garlic also contains selenium. So selenium helps stimulate blood circulation for the maximum nourishment of the scalp and hair. It inhibits the growth of molasses and help treat dandruff. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with antifungal properties that can help in preventing dandruff. The vitamin C in garlic protects hair from free radicals and prevents hair thinning and hair loss. It also boosts the production of collagen, which is essential for hair growth. So at this point, we're just mixing our powders so that they can be well combined. You can even use a spoon or whatever gadgets that you have. And then we are going to get our warm water, and we're going to pour in about 200 grams of our hot water. And then we are going to get a whisker just to help us mix so that our powders can be warm mixed into the water. And then after that, when it's well mixed, make sure that you cover it at least for 10 to 15 minutes with aluminum foil paper. So once it's ready, it's now ready to be transferred into a spray bottle. And then after that, we are going to mix in rosemary essential oil, just to mask the the smell of garlic. I'm not a big fan of garlic, but I realized that I'm telling you, the smell was so nice. So now make sure that you get a fine strainer and strain. So you know what, in Eastern Asia medicine, ginger is sometimes used to promote growth. However, some research have noted that no scientific evidence has proven that ginger helps from baldness. All information is actually attributed to anecdote. So ginger increases the scalp circulation that results in the flow of blood to the scalp. It stimulates hair follicles and encourages growth. The fatty acids in ginger are beneficial for thin hair. Ginger has antiseptic, properties that can help in getting rid of dandruff. Ginger provides some natural conditioning benefits to improve the look and feel of hair. So at this point, we've gotten our spray bottle, and we are adding in our essential oil. So you can use whatever essential oil you have, but at this point, in fact, it is lavender, not rosemary. So I really love rosemary, lavender, and tea tree essential oils, but I'm yet to try out other essential oils. So these are very potent. You only need 1%. And we are also adding in our preservative because we don't want our product to be, to discard it after 2 to 3 days. But if you don't have a preservative, you can actually store it in the fridge for 4 days. So 1% of our natural preservative, I'm using UC712. So at this point, we are going to shake our bottle in readiness to use it. So I really love this beautiful color. Have you seen, it looks so perfect. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that every time we upload, you'll be notified. Yes, so dear friend, are you going to make this powerful hairspray for hair loss and thinning hair? So now at this point, I'm going to use it liberally in my hair. You know, like if you've been on this channel for quite some time, like I don't do high maintenance hairstyles. Yes, so I love low manipulation hairstyles. So we are going to use my favorite Isoplus Edge Control just to make sure that our hair looks clean, you know, and presentable. Yeah, so actually, as I mentioned, like you can check out the video which we did on Isoplus. I did a review, powerful review on Isoplus Edge Control Gel, and I've also done a review on Got to Be Glue. You can check that video out, or I'll link it in the description box below. Yes, and at some point I'd had actually done a review on my products. So like I do formulate my own products, but I haven't yet launched. But I'm praying and hoping that by 2022, come 2022, we are going to launch by God's grace. So now like actually applying my Isoplus Edge Control just on the perimeter of our hair. You know, now at this point, this is how it looks like. So now I'm just getting my silk scarf, and then I'm going to wrap it on for 10 minutes, actually less than 10 minutes, because you know what, friends, we were rushing. I was running late. So you can even use a silk, you know, satin. These fabrics are so good to the hair. Yeah, so it's been like 6 to 5 minutes and we are removing the scarf. Yes, so look at that. Our hair is well moisturized and well laid. Yes. Yeah, so are you going to make this hair mist, powerful hair mist for thin hair and hair loss? Or have you tried out ginger and garlic? Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. God bless you. See you in my next video.